The Hwasong-17 transporter-erector-launcher telephone is one of the most imposing road mobile missile platforms in existence, designed to carry and launch North Korea's largest liquid-fueled intercontinental ballistic missile. Mounted on an 11-axle chassis, the telephone provides the structural strength and stability needed to handle a missile estimated at 24 to 26 meters in length, up to 2.9 meters in diameter, and weighing as much as 150 metric tons when fully fueled. Its multiple axles distribute weight evenly across the vehicle, enabling it to travel along select paved routes despite its massive size. The telephone incorporates hydraulic lifting systems and stabilizers that allow the missile to be erected into a launch position and fired directly from the vehicle. The Hwasong-17 missile itself is believed to have an operational range exceeding 13,000 kilometers when flown on a standard trajectory with a light warhead, theoretically enabling it to reach any point in the continental United States. Its demonstrated test flights on lofted trajectories have reached altitudes over 6,000 kilometers with ranges of around 1,000 kilometers, primarily to avoid overflying neighboring countries during testing. Analysts suspect it could be equipped with multiple independently targetable re-entry vehicles, possibly 3 or 4 warheads, or a combination of warheads and decoys, significantly increasing its potential to penetrate missile defense systems. The development of such a capability represents a significant leap in North Korea's deterrence posture and complicates the defense calculations of its adversaries. While the Hwasong-17 telephone remains a central component of North Korea's strategic arsenal, the country's missile development program has continued to evolve rapidly. In 2023, the solid-fueled Hwasong-18 was unveiled on a 9-axle telephone, offering faster launch readiness and reduced vulnerability compared to liquid-fueled missiles, which require lengthy fueling procedures. In 2024, the Hwasong-19 appeared on a differently designed 11-axle telephone, indicating further advancements in size, capability, and possibly propulsion technology. That same year, North Korea revealed a prototype 12-axle telephone chassis, longer than the Hwasong-17's vehicle, suggesting the preparation of an even larger missile or perhaps a mobile space launch vehicle. By 2026, the Hwasong-17 continues to serve both practical and symbolic purposes. Operationally, it remains one of the heaviest payload carriers in North Korea's missile forces, capable of deploying a massive weapon that could threaten targets across the globe. Symbolically, its public displays during military parades reinforce the image of a nation determined to enhance its long-range strike capability despite international sanctions and diplomatic pressure. The continued refinement of telephone technology also reflects growing self-reliance in heavy vehicle manufacturing, a critical step in reducing dependence on foreign chassis imports, which are restricted under sanctions. North Korea's pattern of unveiling progressively larger TELs indicates a strategic emphasis on mobility, survivability, and payload capacity. Improvements in telephone design could allow for faster deployment, greater launch flexibility, and better concealment in wartime conditions. With new missile systems like the Hwasong-18 and Hwasong-19 already in service or nearing deployment, the role of the Hwasong-17 telephone may gradually shift from being the centerpiece of the arsenal to part of a diversified, multi-system deterrent network, yet it will remain an unmistakable symbol of the regime's strategic ambitions well into the next decade.